global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Sit at home had a lot of reactions. At the later part of Monday, people started coming out bit by bit. But other Nigerians have become so worried with what is happening in Southeast. Hence, they proffered the solution. But before the solution, they have decided to ask pertinent questions that probably only the leadership of Igbo Southeast can answer. Well, before we go into the newspaper to find out what has happened again in Southeast, especially UGM doing what they know best. We'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Okay, let's start with what non-Igbos are saying concerning the sit at home and the pertinent questions they're asking the Southeastern governors. Then we go to what UGM have done again to very prominent people in Southeast. We're addressing the topic. The Ace Babajide Kolade of Otitojo, a Nigerian journalist, has slammed Governor Hope Uzodinma and other governors for their handling of the sit-at-home order in Southeast. Well, according to him, while discussing the recent attacks on Anambra State and Imo State by armed men, addressing the topic, Babajide said, people have the right to protect their life. They also have the right to protect their lives. Your life is your biggest possession. A governor cannot simply go about issuing threats and orders for civil servants to go to work. People will only listen when they are sure that their security and their security is guaranteed. No governor in the Southeast has been able to provide such a firm guarantee. He added, the governor of Imo State has also issued threats in the past regarding the issue. I recall that the governor's house in his hometown was set ablaze by armed men. If he could not prevent his house from being set ablaze, can a right-thinking civil servant think that the governor's proclamation will guarantee his safety? There is more left to be done. Hope Uzodinma can promise hope to people, but they will not listen if they are not guaranteed that their lives will be protected. Then, of course, in Imo State still, some UGM have raised the country home of the Imo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, that's Syrian Akaolisa. The assailant also burns the residence of the father of the State Justice Commissioner located in Orsu local government area of the state. In June 2021, Akaolisa's country home was also attacked and burned by some UGM. The residence of the Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emelumba, was also attacked last year. In a statement on Sunday, Akaolisa confirmed the attack, saying, the Igbos are hardworking people who through the years of toils put up structures and leave developmental strides in their communities of origin. Maka akurolo amara onye nwenya, meaning when akurolo amara onye nwenya means, let me interpret, when wealth gets home, they will know the owner of the wealth. If I'm wrong, please, those who understand Igbo, correct me. All right, let's continue with the news. Through my many years of struggle, I've managed to put a block on another to build a befitting house for my family. My aged father also has a house he built through his sweats. Today, both buildings are in rubbles. Both buildings are in ashes. Our fellow Igbos burnt them. Firstly, last year, these arsonists burnt my country home in Obibi, Awo Idimili, Orsu local government area of Imo State for no just cause. This year again, 2022, they returned and this time they perfected the complete burning of even the blocks and the bricks. And last year, to my utter consternation, they leveled my father's house. This is a house my father built by himself. The life toll of an aged man. In other words, I wish to put on record that my family house is completely destroyed. This was after they used a truck to cut all the properties, the fridges, the televisions, the bed, the phones, the generator sets, and other household items. What are my crimes? Who did I offend? And what were my father's offenses? And I dare ask, where is the Igbo spirit? This is a direct affront to the Akaolisa spirit, who will invest in Igbo, na Orsu local government area today under this type of atmosphere? Nay, the above are acts of arson ongoing in my local government area of Orsu. The complete burning of our local government area secretariat, the house of my colleague Chief Prince Ford Ozumba, the Honorable Commissioner Imo State Ministry of Labour, Employment and Productivity, the house of Honorable Ekene Nnamdi, the member representing Orsu State constituency in Imo State House of Assembly. There are also houses of other political leaders which have been raised in my area, in that area so far. Other ungodly acts are the sacking and cutting away of the police presence and armories in Orsu local government area, the kidnapping, the killing of well-to-do individuals and security operatives. This attendant scare has become a daily phenomenon in my local government area. Today, this UGM, codenamed Umu Oma, are you serious? Under the guise of freedom fighters, have continued to damage huge sums of money, and they also continue to demand huge sums of money from mourning families who wish to bury their loved ones and the likes. It is now strictly business. This UGM have almost made a god of themselves, cannibalizing at will in my area. But believe me, they will not succeed with our voices up and collaborative effort. Where is the Igbo spirit? Umunnem. It is unfortunate that the majority of those who foment these troubles are not indigenous to Orsu, but have gathered collaborators and enablers among the locals, either through fear, persuasion, financial inducement, and made to swear to devilish oath of secrecy. It is time to synergize and put an end to the siege in Orsu local government area and liberate our people who are worst hit by the economic downturn occasioned by the ravaging insecurity. For the enablers and cheerers, it is time for the needed retrospect, soul searching, to interrogate the process so far by weighing the gains and the losses. And this is a heartfelt cry of a politician who has been dealt with. And it looks like from all indication, UGM that are going against Orsu local government area are targeting politicians. But that's we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment section. What's your take? Do have a nice day.